Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush, emerald forest, lived the kindest rabbit named Oliver. With sparkling eyes and a fluffy white coat, Oliver was always ready to lend a paw to his forest friends. The forest was a place of harmony, filled with delightful chatter and towering trees, where the sun's rays danced through the leaves. One sunny morning, as Oliver hopped along the forest trail, he stumbled upon Chloe, the turtle. Chloe was struggling to reach a bunch of berries hanging from a bush. Her little legs couldn't stretch that high. Without a moment's hesitation, Oliver gathered the juiciest berries he could find and shared them with Chloe. Her eyes sparkled with gratitude, and she thanked Oliver with a warm embrace. The next day, a gentle breeze carried a whisper through the branches, "Help the wise owl." Oliver perked up his ears and made his way to Ophelia. Ophelia, the elderly owl, had feathers frosted with the years and eyesight not as sharp as it used to be. She needed help gathering twigs for her nest. Oliver and Chloe joined forces to bring twigs for Ophelia's nest. As the days went by, the acts of kindness spread like ripples across a calm pond. No longer was Oliver alone in his mission of spreading joy and support. The tiny fireflies shared their glow during night gatherings. The beavers built bridges to help all animals cross the river with ease, and the birds sang sweet melodies every morning to awaken the forest with cheer. Soon enough, it was time for the Great Forest Gift, the annual festivity where all creatures, big and small, shared what they had gathered for the approaching colder months. This year, the air felt thick with excitement, because Oliver's kindness had inspired a special celebration. A huge pile of colorful flowers, nuts, berries, and soft leaves were placed in the center of the clearing, reflecting the true spirit of giving. Ophelia, with a voice strong and clear, spoke of gratitude. Soon everyone joined in the cheerful chorus of song and laughter. The forest felt alive with an extraordinary, warm light. And so, the Great Forest Gift became more than just a tradition. It celebrated kindness, united hearts, and reminded everyone that in helping each other, they had created a magical place filled with joy and love.